Welcome to the School of Pharmacy at Lincoln University College, Malaysia, where innovation meets excellence. Ranked 185 in QS Asia University rankings, we are proud to be a globally recognized institution, accredited by SGS, Setara, and MQA. Thinking of a career in pharmacy? At Lincoln University College, we offer a wide range of programs designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge needed to succeed in the healthcare and pharmaceutical industry. Choose from Diploma in Pharmacy, your first step into the world of pharmaceuticals. Diploma in Pharmacy, ODL, flexible online distance learning for aspiring pharmacy professionals. Bachelor of Pharmacy with honors, a complete journey into professional pharmacy practice. Bachelor in Cosmetic Science with honors, perfect for those passionate about beauty, skincare, and product formulation. Master of Pharmacy by research. Deepen your expertise and contribute to groundbreaking research. PhD in Pharmacy by research. Become a leader in pharmaceutical innovation and academia. At Lincoln University College, we go beyond textbooks. Our programs offer hands-on training, research opportunities, and industry exposure, ensuring our graduates are well prepared for diverse careers in pharmacy, healthcare, and the cosmetic industry. We believe education should be accessible to everyone. That's why we offer a wide range of scholarships to support students in pursuing their dreams. Apply today and discover the opportunities waiting for you. Join a university that is shaping the future of pharmacy, healthcare, and research. With world-class education, hands-on learning, and global recognition, your journey to success starts here at Lincoln University College. Visit our website to learn more about our programs, scholarships, and career opportunities. Your future in pharmacy begins today.